Terrain Tamer have a 50-year-old promise to deliver quality engineered four-wheel drive parts. Let's learn more in Terrain Tamer Uncovered.
G'day, Mark Allen here. Now most people are aware of the dust ingress problem we have on the Prado 120s and 150s, the mighty 70 series V8 range, and also the 200 series Toyota airboxes. Essentially, dust can get in between the filter seal and the airbox, and then it goes further down into the air intake system into your engine, and that's just not good. While there are a few aftermarket mobs that can manufacture complete custom airboxes, there is an easier and more cost-effective way to help solve the problem. Terrain Tamer have designed and manufactured this air filter element kit which actually fits into the standard airbox lid. The stainless steel gasket fits perfectly into the recess of the airbox lid and is secured with the included sealant, which is also safe for all oxygen sensors. The gasket forms a much wider sealing section between the filter and the lid, plus it helps in retaining the airbox shape and structure by preventing it from distorting under heat or pressure. Once you've finished installing the Terrain Tamer gasket kit, you simply replace the airbox lid as normal and kiss dust ingress goodbye. Simple. Each kit includes the gasket liquid cement, and a quality Terrain Tamer air filter. As soon as I found out about these kits, I just had to grab one for my own troopy for peace of mind. If you're serious about trying to prevent dusting your engine, I reckon this is a must-have product.